Hello friends, budget deficits. There are four types of budget deficits. The first one is fiscal deficit. In this lecture, we shall discuss fiscal deficit with the help of examples. Here we are given actual data relating to India budget 2017-18, relating to receipts and relating to expenditure. Breakup of receipts into revenue receipt and capital receipt is given. Similarly, breakup of total expenditure into revenue account expenditure and capital account expenditure is also given. Here we are also given the gross domestic product data. Based on this information, how to calculate fiscal deficit? Friend, fiscal deficit is calculated as total expenditure minus revenue receipts minus non-debt capital receipts. So the data required is total expenditure. So this information is available. Revenue receipt. This information is available here for all the 3 years. Non-debt capital receipt. So capital receipt is of two types, by way of borrowing and non-debt. So we have not to take the entire amount. We have to take only non-debt capital receipt. Now based on this, we can make the calculation. So fiscal deficit is equal to B, that is total expenditure, minus A1, that is revenue receipt, minus A to B, that is non-debt capital receipts. So when we calculate, we get the fiscal deficit at this level, and all this is amount in crores of rupees. So fiscal deficit in India budget is 5,46,532 crore for 17-18. Similarly, this calculation has been made for these years. Fiscal deficit is expressed as percentage of GDP. So here we have the GDP data. This amount divided by GDP data, it gives us 3.2%. So for 17-18, the GDP, the fiscal deficit is 3.2% of GDP. Friends, fiscal deficit, what is the impact? Let us see what is the impact of fiscal deficit. The first impact, government has to borrow money to bridge the fiscal deficit. Now fiscal deficit can be bridged, can be covered either by printing new currency, that is called by way of monetization. But if fiscal deficit is covered through monetization, it creates inflationary situation. In India, the fiscal deficit is covered by way of borrowing. So the amount of fixed fiscal deficit, it is met by way of borrowing. So this is borrowing, and borrowing is a capital receipt, a long-term receipt. Amount of borrowing matches the amount of fiscal deficit, because fiscal deficit is funded from borrowing. When money is borrowed, then there is increasing interest burden. So increase in interest burden, this we can see from here. 15-16, this was amount of annual interest government was paying. So this has increased and now it has increased further. So this is second implication. The third implication, increase in revenue deficit. Since interest increases and it is part of revenue expenditure, hence it leads to increase in revenue deficit also. And fourth implication, downgrade of credit rating of the country. As fiscal deficit rises, the rating agencies, international rating agencies like Standard & Poor's or Moody's, they downgrade country rating. So these are different implications of fiscal deficit. Closely related concept with fiscal deficit is primary deficit. What is primary deficit and how it is calculated? So we have the same information. Primary deficit is calculated as fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So out of amount of fiscal deficit, if we reduce the amount of interest payment, then we get the primary deficit amount. For example, fiscal deficit is this amount here. Out of this, if we reduce the interest payment amount, we get primary deficit. So primary deficit as percentage of GDP is 0.1%. So it is declining over a time period. Well friends, I hope you will be benefited by contents of this video. Thank you for watching this.